is Tori Grace Wilson, Miss Acadiana 2020, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit fun. We're going to be making a planetarium out of an old box and a few more household items. This is actually something that I'm doing as a physics major in my advanced physics lab in our online courses because it leads to a lot more advanced concepts. But right now it's just something fun that you can do to learn a little bit more about the sun and the Earth's rotation around the sun. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're gonna need an old box, a pretty good sized box. You don't wanna use a small shoe box, but hopefully you have one of those lying around. You're also gonna need some tin foil, some scissors, a box cutter, a ruler, some clear tape, and a Sharpie or any kind of marking utensil. So first we're gonna take the clear tape and we're gonna tape up two of the sides straight up and down. Okay, and then on this last side, you're going to tape it down so it has a little bit of an angle towards the inside of the box. Actually, I lied. Before we do that, we're gonna cut out, I like to do like a 3" by 2.5" hole right here on this flap of the box. So that's where we're gonna use our ruler and our Sharpie to make that section. So this is what it's gonna look like. I kind of made a few extra marks there, but we're gonna cut out this big rectangle right here, and you're gonna use your box cutter. Kids at home, make sure that you ask your parents for help. You can use a knife or scissors if you need to, if you don't have a box cutter. So you're gonna have a hole on this side of the box. It's okay if it's not a perfect rectangle, that's not really what matters. So now we're gonna flip it over to the other side and you're gonna take a strip of your tin foil and you're gonna cover this hole right here completely. You wanna make sure that you cut your tin foil pretty close to size. Okay, now that you have your hole covered in tin foil, you're actually gonna need one more household item that I forgot, but that is a toothpick. So I'm gonna run inside and grab one really quick. Okay, so you're gonna need a toothpick for this part, and you're going to take it and poke a tiny hole right in the center of your tin foil. This is gonna be the hole that allows the sun to project into your box. So I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I poked a hole right there. And now we're gonna tape this toothpick right above the hole. It'll cast a shadow on the inside of your box and make it easier for you to find the sun on the inside. So there is your toothpick. Now we're going to, before we tape this flap down, fold it down a little bit and you're gonna draw a line in the center of your box. So you wanna take your ruler and measure how long the box is and then find the center of your box and draw a line down the center from this flap to this flap. So now there should be a line on the inside of your box that is going to be lined up from north to south whenever you're taking your measurements. Now we're going to take this flap and create an angle so that the sun projects to the inside of the box, and we're going to tape it down. And now you've made your planetarium. So now you just need to take it out into the sun on a bright, sunshiny day, and we will watch as the sun projects into the middle of the box. Inside of your box, you see that little dot there? That is actually a projection of the sun. There's a lot of stuff that goes into this, and I'll try to link some of the websites that we use to do a little bit of research. But mostly it has to, you can watch the sun as the day goes by move across your box. The line that you drew in the center of your box is going to be the prime meridian, and you're going to watch about noon to 1:30 as the sun goes across your box and crosses the prime meridian. And I want to challenge you to record the time that your sun crosses your prime meridian and share it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys had fun with our first science experiment.